In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page name on Wix Studio. If you are updating your site's navigation and want a page title to appear differently in the menu, Wix Studio makes that process very straightforward. Renaming a page can be useful if you want your site to sound more polished, more consistent, or simply easier for visitors to understand. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and what the change affects. To begin, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Make sure you are inside the editing workspace for the correct site before making any changes. This is important, especially if you manage more than one website, because page settings only apply to the site currently open in the editor. Once you are in the editor, move your cursor over to the left side of the Wix Studio workspace and click the Pages icon. This will expand the Pages panel, where you can see the full list of pages currently included on your site. Take a moment to look through the list and locate the page you want to rename. When you find the correct page, click the More Actions icon next to it. This is the three-dot menu beside the page name. Opening this menu gives you access to additional options related to that specific page. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Pages configuration panel, where you can manage important details for that page. Inside this panel, make sure you are in the Page Info tab. This is the section that contains the field for the page name. Now, enter the new page name in the provided field. Type the label exactly the way you want it to appear. This change updates the name as it shows in your site's navigation menu, so visitors will see the new label when they browse your site. It's a good idea to choose a page name that is short, clear, and easy to understand. After entering the new name, double-check it for spelling and consistency with the rest of your site. Small naming changes can make a big difference in how organized and professional your website feels. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.